All right, boys. So I understand we've uploaded one video in the last year and a half, but new year, fresh start. Let's get it. Alright, what's up, boys? We're back here.
Wow, what a shitty.
Thanks, Brandon. We got Brandon right here. Got some new rubbies right here.
Federals, baby.
Hell yeah. We got your boy right here. We're back in the YouTube game.
Trash,
bro.
Bro.
It's from the last owner, I swear. Robert's gonna make it worse.
I'm not sure if it gets much worse, to be honest.
In tomorrow's video, we'll be repainting my wheels.
Straight crowbar status up in here.
I'm gonna paint them red.
Paint red? The wheels? I was gonna say, that's a little...
Plasti dip them red.
Plasti dip them black, and get this, instead of cleaning them, just spray it with tire shine. I may have done that a couple times.
You may.
It's weird seeing someone like just touch everything and then you're just standing there. Do you feel like me yet? Like, honestly? Clearly, Brandon just wasn't vibing with these tires.
Yeah, I wasn't vibing.
They got a
with
lot
that.
of tread left on them, but you know, Brandon wanted the Fetties.
Yeah.
There's got a lot of tread left. This fucking...
Oh, I gotta balance it first.
Oh, that's right.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, that could be bad.
No, we don't need a balance.
But there you go. Tires on.
Boom. It's bouncy. It's bouncy. You guys are probably wondering what car these are going on.
A year and a half since I last saw it.
Dude, for real, like, I don't think we realize how long it's been.
It's literally been like
Dude, it's been almost 2 years. Like, there's like
3
dead
years
ass,
since
like,
prime time.
the world has changed, folks. I feel like we should do like a breakdown of like world events that took place.
world events.
World events that
As
took
if they're
place.
not living in this
Just to give you guys like, for example, of like how long it's been, you know? Oh, Hawaii almost got obliterated by a missile.
Yeah.
I feel like that doesn't get talked about. Alright, so you know the drill. Robert straight lubed this up right here. Damn, look at this fresh tread right here.
Wait, you got it on the right side?
I'm just exposing Brandon's specs right here. Those the same size as my tires.
Are they really?
235?
4018?
You running Federals?
Yeah.
They say that these Federals are made for like M4s and sports
Yeah?
sedans.
Well, I'm gonna go as far as say that the car up above that car is a sports sedan. You know?
It's a coupe.
If you heard it, it's practically a GTR.
Practically.
Just saying. Wait, you just say you're trying to get Air Force Ones, Robert?
Yeah, white Air Force.
There's some black ones.
Look at this.
I got cheetah print. It has to.
You see the cheetah print?
Kind of vibing with it. So this is the car in question today. Brand's been rolling around on a full-sized donut for the last, you know, like 6 years.
Wait, got the fucking Federal tread pad.
Dead ass, dude. I was just about to say something about this. This is kind of right. This is a test wheel. This is going on the real thing. I wouldn't call it a test wheel.
It's not my fault you don't clean the insides of your wheel.
Oh yeah, let me just, every time I take my car to the car wash, remove my wheels.
Dual exit. Dual exit. Oh, I see the broken chrome. Dead ass, dude. What'd you hit?
There was a dude in a fucking CRV at Dunkin' Donuts.
No.
He's the fucking donut.
It's the dumbest thing I've ever. 2 years later, Robert still hasn't fixed the Miata.
He said he would.
You didn't hear us talking shit. Let's get out of here. Oh my god. So, how's your life been post JSR? Say something like how it's like depressing and you got like a disease or some shit.
It's depressing. I got a disease. Just drive me to work.
What disease you got?
Terminal.
This is so sad.
This is so sad.
How many likes can we get on this video?
Can we?
Alright boys, we're back here. I just had to drop Brandon off at work real quick. Robert did one wheel and tire while I was gone for about 20 minutes. Gave him a little bit of problems, but this one seems to be a little bit easier. And we're gonna deliver the car back to Brandon at his work. Alright guys, fast forward, we just got the last tire done. We're gonna have Robert put it on right here. And then it'll be good to go, hopefully. It's got a full carbon fiber kind of lip spoiler. Sticks out pretty aggressively, looks pretty good. The tinted taillights a little bit. He's talking about undoing that though. And then obviously he's got the quad exhaust. Do you know what exhaust, what he's done to his exhaust, Robert? Is it muffler delete? Is it resonators too?
I think so.
Huh, all right, so supposedly muffler and resonator delete. It sounds pretty good. We'll get a clip when we start it up, but got these sick ass paddle shifters. Damn, check this out though. Let me hop up in this. Oh, man. Car. Oh, I just reached for the third pedal. I just reached for the third pedal, folks. Oh, man. It's all right. Autos are fun, too. Nothing wrong with a good automatic. Oh, sounds good. I have not driven it in a while. I don't think I drove it when it had the exhaust put on. I think I drove it, I last drove it when it was stock. Something's beeping. Oh, it's the parking sensors. Interesting. All right. Hey, this is pretty cool though. Look at this, boys. This looks good. Next to the GT86. I'll go more in depth on what I've done to this later because obviously you guys haven't seen it. But yeah, I've kind of been hiding this car away. Not on purpose. We just haven't uploaded videos so you guys know how it is. But damn. CCB looking good. Good job, Brandon. Ooh. Sounds pretty good, boys, not gonna lie. All right, thankfully, guys, we made it. No troubles on the freeway. Dude to my right totally almost rear-ended everyone, but that's cool. Not us. That could never be us. Yeah, Robert pulling up the Niata right here. But yeah, successful day. Brandon's got new tires and his car delivered to his work.